So I have the Samsung Galaxy A14, and let me take you through the process of setting this phone up for the first time. So I just took it out of the box, and take note that this is the Galaxy A14 and not the A14 5G. So that's a different phone. Anyway, so the first thing you want to do is switch it on. And to switch on, you need to use this power button, also called the side button. And also you can call it the fingerprint sensor. Okay, so press and hold for a couple of seconds. You'll feel a slight vibration, see the Samsung logo, let go, and allow the phone to boot up. And so this is the welcome page. This is the first screen you're going to see. So let's go ahead and select the language. Of course, mine is in English by default. I'll leave it at that. In case you want to change the language, then you can tap on that and choose any other language you want. But if you're comfortable with that, tap on start. And as you can see, it says insert SIM, but we're going to do that later. So on the first page, of course, you have to agree to the terms and conditions. You don't have to agree to the last one, or you can tap on agree to all, which is optional. But as soon as you tap on the first two, you can be able to tap on agree. And then at this point, you can choose to set up your phone using another device, maybe a Galaxy or Android device, or if you have an iPhone and you want to transfer from iPhone to this phone, you can tap on that and make sure you have that phone close by and connected to the same Wi-Fi. But since I'm setting this up like a brand new separate phone, I'll just skip this by tapping on skip. And then it's gonna turn on my Wi-Fi, look for available Wi-Fi networks. So let me connect to my Wi-Fi quickly. Then hit next, or it's gonna go next automatically. So as you can see, currently it's checking for service provider information, and it says this could take a few minutes, so just be patient. Once it's complete, you can be able to tap on next. And it's currently getting the phone ready, as you can see. And then next, you'll find this page asking you if you want to copy apps and data from a previous phone. Again, tap on don't copy. Or if you want to copy, you can tap on next and make sure you have that other phone close by. So I'll just tap on don't copy. And then next, it's going to ask me to sign in with my Google account. I can either do that or I can skip and do that later. So in the interest of time, let me just quickly skip that and do that later. So I'll just skip for now. And then of course you have to agree to the Google services, read all and accept. And then it's time to set up your security for your phone. You can either use face recognition, you can use fingerprint, a pin, a password, a pattern. You have all these options. Now, I'm just gonna skip this for now also in the interest of time. But of course, I'll be making subsequent videos on how to do those steps separately. So make sure you subscribe not to miss any of those videos, especially if you have this phone or you're planning to buy it. Anyway, next is a Samsung account. Do you want to add a Samsung account? If you want to, simply sign in with your email address, and then after you tap on next, you'll enter your password. Okay, and that's gonna add your Samsung account to your phone. But if you're like me and you want to skip this process for now, tap on skip. and confirm you want to skip. And then of course the Samsung services, make sure you read all those and then tap on agree. Choose how you want your display, either light mode or dark mode. I'll just go with light mode and tap on next. And it says I'm all set up, and you can now tap on finish. And there you go. So our Galaxy A14 is all set up and ready. Okay, now it's going to download some of the apps which are not downloaded yet, but as you can see, everything looks okay. The phone is up and ready to go. And that's how to set up your Samsung Galaxy A14 for the first time if you're a beginner. Now, like I said, make sure you stay subscribed because I'll be making subsequent videos on how to navigate and how to use this phone. But for now, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and good luck.